The chief executive, ladies and gentlemen, is the leader of the executive branch. All the departments and agencies, the bureaucracy that make up the executive branch. So, as the chief executive, the president might be appointing somebody to lead a government department, such as the Department of Homeland Security. The president might be holding a cabinet meeting with the leaders of the different departments, signing an executive order, making sure an executive order is being carried out. That would be the chief executive. And ladies and gentlemen, it's Abraham Lincoln. Oh, hello, everybody. Wow, Mr. Lincoln, it's an honor. Well, you must have done some of these things as chief executive. Like, did you ever appoint anybody to lead a department? Well, that's a silly question. Of course I did. You're a teacher. You should know this. Yeah, I guess you're right. I should know that. Thank you, Mr. Lincoln.